Alright, so here we are on lesson 16, day 1, and we're going to write expressions in which letters stand for numbers. So today we're going to do half of the lesson 16 notes, and tomorrow we're going to do the other half. So just kind of follow along as we jump around a little bit. Alright, we're going to skip that opening exercise because we're going to just do that when we do example 1. Okay, so again, we are writing out these expressions using numbers and symbols now. So part A says the sum of twice B and 5. So we're going to underline some keywords. So we have sum, we have twice, and then and. Okay. So remember sum, we need those parentheses. That's a good start. And we want twice B. And twice B would be 2B, and then we're adding that with 5. Right? B, we have the quotient of C and D, so our keyword is quotient, and that means we would just do C over D. Alright, C here, we've got a little more going on. We've got A raised to the 5th power increased by the product of 5 and C. So, raised here means we're going to have an exponent to the 5th power, maybe underline 5th power. And then we are increased by the product of 5 and C. So let's go one step at a time. So A raised to the 5th power would be A to the 5th. And now it's going to be increased by, which means we're going to add. And it's the product of 5 and C. So it would be 5C. Okay. D, we have the quantity of A plus B divided by 4. So big keyword, quantity of, we have A plus B, so underline plus, and then the divided. So the quantity of, remember, means parentheses. So inside the parentheses we have the quantity of A plus B, and then it is divided by, so over 4. So the big keyword there again is that quantity of means we need the parentheses. Right, for E, 10 less than the product of 15 and C. So remember, less than means we need to switch that order. So we're going to work backwards. So the product of 15 and C means we have 15C. And we are going to subtract 10 from that. Right, so again, less than means to switch the order. Maybe write yourself a note, switch order. Right, and then F, we have 5 times D, then increased by 8. So we have times and increased. So 5 times D would be 5D, and then increased means to add, so we would add 8. Alright, we're going to skip the whole second page. So you're going to flip to page 29 in your notes, and we're just going to do the first few examples here. So it says mark the text by underlining keywords and then write an expression using variables and numbers for each statement below. So same thing like we did before. 19, we have B decreased by C squared. So keyword decreased by and then squared. So because it's just decreased by, we are not switching the order. So we have B minus and then C squared would be C to the 2nd power. Right, 20 here. 24 divided by the product of 2 and A. So we have divided by as a keyword, and then we have product. So we're going to take 24 divided by, so over, and the product of 2 and A means we're multiplying them, so it would be 2A. Right, I want you to pause right now, try 25 and or 21 and 22 on your own, and then unpause the video and we can check our answers together. Okay, for 21 we have 150 decreased by the quantity of 6 plus B. So again we have decreased by, and then that big keyword quantity of, and then plus. So again, because it says decreased by, we are not switching that order. So we're going to start from the left. We have 150. Decreased by means we're subtracting. Quantity of, our big keyword, we need those parentheses. And then it's 6 plus B. Alright, And then the last one, the sum of twice C and 10. So we've got sum and twice. Don't forget about twice. That can be a little sneaky sometimes. So the sum means we need parentheses. Twice C would be 2C. And because it's a sum, we are adding 10 to that. Alright, so that's all we're going to do for this lesson. So if you have any questions, bring those to class tomorrow, and then we'll do some more practice together.